main takeaway from this event was the workshop that I took part of. And it was super nice to be there because I also got to know the possibilities of prototyping here in Leipzig.
I think it's effective to understand how the German system funding works and what are the opportunities out there. Taking different perspectives, especially from an international, as a foreigner coming into Germany, I think that that's absolutely valuable. Basically, this is the event to be.
I think it's a unique event, and you see also that the people have a lot of energy. They want to do something, but very often they don't know how to do it. And that is our responsibility. We have to work with them to really support them in developing the ideas and transform the ideas into a business.